BrandMentions is a powerful tool for monitoring and analyzing brand mentions across the web and social media. But before you commit, here are 12 important things you need to know about it, especially when compared to other social media management and analytics platforms. The first thing to note is the wide array of features BrandMentions offers. It provides real-time tracking of brand mentions, competitor analysis, and sentiment analysis, making it a comprehensive tool. But it can be overwhelming if you're only interested in a single feature, like social listening. Unlike tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, which offer more of an all-in-one solution, BrandMentions focuses more on tracking specific brand and keyword mentions. Next thing, BrandMentions excels in providing in-depth historical data. You can track brand mentions going back months or even years, which is an advantage when analyzing long-term trends. However, this feature can come at a price. In comparison, competitors like Mention or BuzzSumo offer more flexible pricing plans and give you more value if you're on a budget. The third thing to know is BrandMentions' ease of use. The platform is user-friendly, but there can be a learning curve for new users when navigating its dashboard. If you're used to the simplicity of platforms like Buffer, this could feel a bit more complex, but the depth of the analytics may make it worthwhile for more seasoned marketers. The fourth thing is its integration capabilities. BrandMentions integrates with tools like Google Analytics, Zapier, and Slack, which is great for streamlining your workflow. However, it doesn't have as many integrations as some competitors like Sprout Social or Social Mention, which support a wider range of platforms. Next, let's talk about the pricing structure. BrandMentions has a tiered pricing model, but the cost can add up quickly depending on the features you need. If you compare this to more affordable platforms like Mention, which offers similar features for a lower price, BrandMentions might not be the most budget-friendly option for small businesses. The sixth thing to note is the keyword tracking capabilities. BrandMentions does an excellent job of monitoring your chosen keywords across various platforms. However, it's important to keep in mind that keyword limits are imposed based on the pricing tier. So, if you need to monitor a high volume of keywords, you might want to reconsider its cost-effectiveness compared to alternatives like Brand24 or AgriPulse. Another key factor is sentiment analysis. BrandMentions offers sentiment analysis for brand mentions, but it doesn't always catch nuances in context, which could affect the accuracy of its insights. In contrast, other platforms like Talkwalker provide more robust sentiment analysis that tends to be more reliable. Moving on, BrandMentions offers reports that are fairly customizable, allowing you to generate insights on brand mentions, top influencers, and sentiment trends. But when it comes to visual reports, tools like Sprinkler offer more advanced reporting capabilities with greater flexibility, which can be a deal breaker for some users. Next, BrandMentions is great for monitoring mentions across multiple languages. It supports a wide range of languages, which is useful if you have an international brand. That said, platforms like Meltwater may offer better multilingual support and advanced localization features for large global enterprises. The ninth thing to consider is its customer support. BrandMentions offers support by email, but it doesn't have 24/7 live chat, which can be a bit of a limitation. Compare this to tools like Hootsuite, which offer extensive customer service and live chat, making it easier to resolve any issues quickly. The 10th thing is that BrandMentions focuses heavily on data and analytics, which is great if you're data-driven. However, if you're looking for a platform that also helps you with scheduling posts or running social media campaigns, BrandMentions lacks those features. Platforms like Buffer and Sprout Social cover a broader range of social media management needs. Next, BrandMentions also offers competitor analysis, allowing you to track your competitors' brand mentions and compare them to your own. However, this feature isn't as robust as some alternatives like BuzzSumo, which offers more detailed insights into competitor content performance and audience engagement. The 12th thing to keep in mind is the trial. BrandMentions offers a free trial, but it's limited in features and doesn't give you full access to the platform's potential. If you want a more comprehensive trial experience, you may want to look at platforms like Mention or Brand24, which offer more flexible trial options. In conclusion, BrandMentions is a solid option for brand monitoring and sentiment analysis, especially for those